Okay, as I say, the step 1, okay, please ignore the decimal number. That means if you don't know, but it's easier way, I'm telling you, if the decimal number you dividing the normal number, it's okay, it's very easy. But when it comes to the dividing again the decimal number, it's quite harder. So what I can suggest is, please move the decimal point to your right, one place. How many places also no problem. It should become a normal number. So for this, move one decimal place is enough. So you are moving one decimal point. Okay, it becomes 62. And same goes to here, you are moving one decimal point. So it becomes 210.8. So you are dividing like a normal number, 62. You will get 34. But 34 is not the final answer. Just now, do you all still remember you move one decimal point? So you have to move here back to get the answers in decimal point. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Understand.
Okay, it becomes 3.4. But the dividing 62 is remaining same because you are moving already. What? Here also you are moving already. Here also you are moving already. Only the answer you have to change. One decimal point, you have to bring back the decimal point. Understand? Huh? Okay, shall we go to the example? Another example here. Okay, 14.19 divide 2.2. How? Teacher said you can move one decimal point to your right, it become 22, and then move one more decimal point for the question, it become 141.9.
141.9.
Very good. So now 141.9 can be divided by 22 or not?
No.
Hello. 141 can divide with 22 or not?
It can.
Can. 6 times 22, it become 132.
32.
Correct? Okay, very good. So, place the decimal point here, correct?
Correct.
So, it become 9. You bring the 9 again down. 4 times 22, it become 88. Correct or not?
88.
And then 11.
Correct.
11, you bring the 0 down. 4 times 20, 5 times 22, it become 110. So 110 minus 110 is equals to
0.
0, 0, 0. No more remainder ready. Understand or not?
Understand. So is 6.45.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, even the just now example one, even though teacher never show, even though you don't want to follow the step 3, but you automatically should know that you have to follow the decimal lineup. So you automatically should know that here is the decimal point. Understand or not? So same goes to here. Same goes to here. You have to know that you have to line up the decimal point. Understand?
Understand.
Yes, okay. I'm going to show an example. Okay, here, dividing decimal. Come, let's do. Take a piece of paper, try to do, and I'll show my working. 10 more minutes only, faster. I have uploaded the worksheets for today's lesson. Don't know, no problem. Do as much as you can. If you don't know, we can clear it during one-to-one session. Understand? Understand or not? Understand or not? Nobody is responding. That means I'm alone in the class. Huh?
Teacher, I am writing.
Very good. Okay, tomorrow got class or not? No, huh?
Have.
Hello.
Why?
Tomorrow is a public holiday. No school.
Oh, okay, teacher.
Tomorrow is a public holiday. No online classes. Okay.
Teacher, tomorrow I also not have come school.
Tomorrow nobody is going to school. School already closed for 2 months. How are you going to school? The time I'm
I
asking the
closed for
questions,
2
you won't be
months.
answering to me.
It isn't 2 months. It's not 2 months. More than 2 months.
Yes, more than 2 months we are sitting at home doing online classes. How Queeners can go to school?
Online class. Tomorrow,
Oh, the time I ask you questions about the division of decimals, you don't want to turn the camera on. Sorry, don't want to turn the mic on and talk. Now, when I talk about the holiday tomorrow, you're so excited responding to me, correct?
I say I do the holiday.
No, I'm talking about Queeners. Why 2 days holidays? Only tomorrow. Tomorrow is public holiday, Tuesday, 10th of August. Tomorrow, no school, so we have no classes. You can do finish your worksheets I have uploaded today. Understand? Don't tell me no time. Wednesday morning, we have class. I want to discuss all the 3 worksheets, so make sure everybody finish their 3 worksheets. Understand or not? Understand
But
or
it's
not?
so hard.
If hard means we can discuss together. Wednesday morning. Is it okay? We do the discussion. Is it okay?
Oh, okay, teacher.
Okay, now come, let's do this one. 0.4 dy 0.0025. Okay, done. Number 1 done. You all want me to show how to do? What is the answer? Who got the answer? Just
Teacher,
share the
wait
answer.
for what I dividing.
Okay. Quinas, Chris, Vincent, Chanel, Light Chicken, Scofield, Eldridge, I'm waiting for your answers too.
I don't even know how to do a simple division.
Teacher, is it 0.6?
No, wrong. Okay, better I'm sharing the screen. Okay, can you all see my screen now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, the question is 0.4 divide 0.0025, correct? Teacher say you have to remove the decimal point. So you can move 4 places to your right until you got the normal number, correct or not? 0.0025, I move 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. So it become 25. Now 0.4. If you are moving here 4 decimal places, mean here also you all need to move 4 decimal places, correct? So I'm moving 1, 2, 3, 4. It become 4,000.
4,000.
Now the 4,000 can divide the normal 25, right? 1 times 25 is equals to 25, then 15. Bring the 0 down. 6 times 25 become 25, and then 0, bring the 0 down. So 0 times 25, 0. No need to put the decimal because the questions don't have the decimal anymore. So the answer is 160. Understand or not?
Understand.
Okay. I'm sharing again the next questions. Okay. 1087.9 divide 4.6. Let's do now. What is your answers, class? Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, can you all see? $1,087.9 divide 4.6. Teacher said you have to move the decimal point until you no need to have decimal number, correct? Decimal point, correct? So you are moving 1 place only. If you here you are moving one place, here also you have to move one place, correct? So it becomes 10,879 divide 46, correct or not? 2 times 46 is become 92. So the balance is 16. You bring the 7 down. 3 times 46 is become 138. So the balance is 29. You bring the 9 down. 6 times 46, it become 276. So balance is 22. You can add the 0 here to find the solution. If you add 0 here means you need to put decimal here. If the numbers are already decimal, got decimal, if you are adding 0, you no need to put decimal. Since this is not decimal yet, you need to put decimal. 5 times 46, it becomes 220. Can you all see? It's okay. Try to do the worksheet. Wednesday, we can discuss the worksheets. Is it okay, everyone? Is it okay, everyone?
Okay.
Yeah.